Hello, Alpha. I am to be scared going with my money. Let me see, you to be see. You see that my way to the home is last year. Go pay me that money now. You see that my way to the home is last year. Me and you no get anything to argue. Me and you no get anything to argue. That my way to the home is last year. Go pay me that money. I don't want rubbish. I don't want rubbish. I don't tell you now. They throw you talk now. Don't they do rubbish? See, I end to be me. I go knock you bottle.
You think they wise?
See, anywhere I see you, anywhere I see you, I go knock you bottle. See, you see me how you flow. You see me how you flow the Jones, Abi. See me, I tell you, I know they flow you do any rubbish where they do. Where they.
Stop making noise. You are disturbing neighborhood. Everybody is resting.
What happened?
You are sounding like a old generator. You are making noise. Poor people like you make noise. So stop.
You think they wise?
It's poverty mentality. Stop making noise. No future ambition.
Sorry, May God not allow them to kill you.
Guy, bring this camera down now. Why the guy go up? What worry you?
I don't know, so we don't start.
You know how I go tell no. You know how I go tell no, so we don't start.
Uncle,
Why can't you just be gentle for once?
For once.
Once.
Wait, guy, camera go up.
Viewers, I beg, no vex.
No
Subscribe to Blossoms TV. Follow me on my Facebook, Blossoms TV, and all my social media handles.
Blossoms TV.
Blossoms TV.
And don't forget to subscribe to YouTube, Zonias TV. All social media, Zonias TV. Zonias TV and Blossoms TV. Now we dey here. The follow us. Your salary is gone.
I don't cut. Sorry.